It has been a year now since I was nominated as a GDSC lead for Accra Institute of Technology. Now, hear me out. GDSC, which stands for the Google Developer Student Clubs, is an organization under the umbrella of Google for Developers, which was built towards helping individuals to advance their skills as developers who were interested in developer tools through the use of Google tools. But not only that, GDSC served as a community to help students to improve their skills in the tech space as a whole. And this was really good. Under normal circumstances, I wouldn't have applied for the role, but then here we are, having come this far into helping students find a fit in what they want to do or what they do in their career as a long-term goal. During my tenure as a GDSC lead, we hosted and co-hosted over 15 events in areas such as web development, software development, machine learning and data science, graphic design, career development, and also Google crowdsource. The club saw its first appearance in the university during my tenure, so it was just like a mandate that I had to put in the work to be able to build a strong foundation for the club. And yes, we did it. And when I mean we, I'm talking about the core team. That is me and the core team, because the core team has really been in support since day one. I came, I saw, and I conquered. And with that, I'm passing on the mantle to the new GDSC lead, who would be announced in the community soon. I am Jehiel, and it's been nice being here. But we would have to go. We'll meet again, but till then, bye.